CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? CryptoSLO here with more helpful hints. So tonight's video is going to be quick, direct, and to the point. Tonight's video is how to use the Google Chrome autocomplete to turn it into your own personal cryptocurrency address book. And you're like, wait a minute, why would I use that? Well, if you're like me, you're always sending coins back and forth from one exchange to another, from your QT wallet to other. Well, a lot of QT wallets will have address books built in, but a lot of websites and some of your other exchanges don't have the address book. So the trick, the hack is to use Google's autocomplete mechanism to automatically fill in the address. And you're like, what? Okay, so like let's say I wanted to withdraw this Dogecoin, right? So I'm going to hit withdraw, and then you see where it says address. Well, Google, because it says address, will pull up your autocomplete as soon as you click on the box. And actually, that means we don't have anything in the autocomplete right now. So if we did, it would pop up. So what we need to do is put some things in the autocomplete so that we'll be there when we click on the box. So to do that, you go to the Google Chrome setting tab. I've got a link down below to get to it directly. And what this is your address management screen. So from here, you're going to manage your addresses by adding some addresses. But here's the hack. You're going to add a wallet address instead of a street address. Okay? Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your QT address that you want to use. As always, make sure you check the first and last character, and you're going to actually put the QT address in the street address. Okay? And then what I like to do is I like to hit space, and then I'll type Doge. Okay, and then you can even put Doge up here under the name. The key though is putting the QT part under the street address. Okay, so hit save. Alright, now that is in my address book. So when I go back to hit BTC, I click off the cell, and when I click in the cell, boom, autocomplete pops up, says Doge. Bam. Now, you do have to carefully delete the last few characters. That's really not a problem. If you can remember what the address is by the prefix without putting the end on there, that's up to you. I mean, if you only got a couple that you use, you could do it without that, then you wouldn't have to delete it. And then you're going to hit withdraw. That's it. So that is the hack to turning your Google autocomplete address book into your own personal crypto address book. This is CryptoSLO. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. Out.